Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to solve a problem that a lot of people run into. Snap is clearly turned on, but it just doesn't feel like it's working. Why is that? Let's take a look at the interface. At the top toolbar in the PCB editor, you can see that the snap function is enabled. A lot of people assume that as long as the icon is lit up, snap should work perfectly, but actually there's one key parameter that determines how sensitive the snap feels. Here's what we do. Go to the top menu, Setting, PCB Footprint. Then select Snap at the bottom. On the right-hand panel, you will see a very important setting, Snap Distance. If your snap distance is set too large, for example 70 mm, when you move chassis, parts, or components, the system will only trigger snapping within a relatively large range. What does that cause? The cursor feels imprecise. Small features are hard to align. Snapping points seem slightly off. Sometimes it even feels like snapping isn't working at all. So what's the right way to fix it? Reduce the snap distance. For example, setting it to 8 mm is pretty common and gives you much better sensitivity. After changing it, click Confirm and go back to the editor to test it. You'll immediately notice that snapping feels much more precise and moving objects become smoother and easier. Let's quickly summarize. If snapping feels inaccurate, it's usually not because the function is turned off, it's because the snap distance isn't set properly. Remember this, if the distance is too large, it's not precise. If it's too small, it might not snap when you expect it to. Adjust it based on your board's design density and you'll be fine. Alright, that's it for this lesson. If you are running into similar small issues in PCB design, feel free to leave a comment and share your experience. See you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.